Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Sonali Gulve. I will teach you how to evaluate the given postfix expression. Okay, in previous video we had learned how to solve the expression, okay, using the value. But now here we will write the algorithm for evaluate the given postfix expression. And for that we are considering the x as a token. Okay, this x is a token type. Then operand 1, operand 2, these two are the operand type, and this operator is your operator type. Here we need to initialize the stack. Okay, so initialize the stack as, okay, x equals to next token. We are using the one function next token. Okay, means suppose your expression is a b plus, then we will consider the first token a, store it in the x. So x equals to a. Then while a, what you have to do if x is an operator. If this x is an operator, pop the content of the stack. Pop the first element of the stack, top of the stack, and store it as a operand 2. Okay, the top element of the stack will be stored as a operand 2. Then after this, okay, after this 3, we will remove this 5 and store it as a operand 1. Then push the value on a stack. First evaluate this. This is part is for the evaluation. Evaluation means what? Here we are calling the one function evaluation. In that function we will evaluate this x. Okay, we will apply this operator on this operator 1 and operand 1 and operand 2. Means suppose is x is your plus, operand 1 is your 5 and this is your 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So evaluate this 8 and push this 8 on a stack by using the push function. If this is an operator, you have to perform this. Otherwise, if there is a simple, after the a there is a b, then you can just simply add this b on your stack. So write only push s comma x. Okay, write the element directly on a stack. Okay, then again x equals to, see, if else, if this then else. Okay, x equals to next token means if again check for is there any more token in this expression or not. काय चेक करायचं, टोकन संपलेत का. सपोज युअर स्ट्रिंग इज x plus y, x y plus, okay, then first check for the x, for the x perform this, for the y do this, if operator then do this part. Okay, so check for the next token. If it is exist, store it inside the x, again go here while x, then you need to perform these things repeatedly till the end of your expression. And at the end, stack contains the evaluated value of the expression. What is the content of the stack at the end? The evaluation value of your expression will be stored inside your stack. Now here we will solve this expression using the stack. Okay, the expression given is 653 plus 9 into plus, and initialize your stack. So your stack is initially empty. Okay, this is only for the initialization of a stack. Then write in a comment, this is your initialization. Okay, write it initialization. Then so next is, see here, 5 3 plus 9 into and then plus again 6 is your operand, so token is 6, so push inside the stack. So here write push 6. Okay, then 3 plus 9 into plus, okay, this is next remaining string, and then inside the stack push your 5, next token, because this is also the operand. Then here write push 5. Okay, write the push 5. Then next is, after this, so next is plus 9 into plus. So again we will push these 3. So 6 is here, 5 is here, and 3 is here now. Okay, at the top of your stack. And write here comment push 3. Okay, what is your comment? Push 3. Then plus, okay, if there is a operator, see, next token is a operator, then pop out this 2, add this operator on this 2, again push the result. काय करायचं, पहिलं पॉप करायचं, दुसरं पॉप करायचं, हे ऑपरेटर त्याच्यावर अप्लाय करायचं आणि आलेला रिझल्ट परत ऍड करायचा. So how to write this? Suppose see, here is 9 into plus. Here we will pop this 3 and 5. So operand 2 will be 3. Operand 1 will be 5. पहिले हा पॉप केला ना, so operand 2 equals to 3. Operand 1 is 5. Then what to do? Apply this plus on this 2. Okay, so you will get the 5 plus 3 equals to 8. You will get the 8. So write this, push 8 on your stack. So your 8 will be here now. Okay, then again 9 multiplication plus. So write here multiplication and plus, and this content of your stack is now 6, 8, and on the top of stack here will be the 9. So here write just push 9. What you have done? Push 9. After that there is a multiplication. So if there is a one operator, then pop this 2, multiply this 2, again insert on a stack. See, similarly. Okay. So here your content is a plus and the stack content will be 6 only. Okay, 6, and this 9 and 2. Your operand 2 is 9. Operand 1 is 8. Apply this multiplication on this 8 and 9. Okay, so 8 into 9 is 72. So push this 72. Okay, here 8 into 9 is 72. So push this 72 on your stack. So this is your stack content. Next is your plus. So when you are using this plus as a next token, then this string, this expression is null now. Then apply this plus on this 2. So operand 2 will be 72. Then operand 1 is 6. So apply this plus on this 72 and 6. So 72 plus 6. So you will get the 78. So push this 78 on the stack. And this is your output. Okay, stack contain the final output of this expression. Same way you can use the, you can solve the other examples also. I will give you one example and solve this example exactly using the same steps. Okay, I am giving this example. Now you can solve this example AB plus CD minus and star. Okay, and in the same way you can solve the one more example for the practice is, see, PQ. See here, PQ plus RS minus star. Same example, just the variable name is changed here. And here you have given the value for this is, okay, here is a different values for ABCD and for your PQRS. Okay, in this case you have given the value P equals to 9, Q equals to 8, R equals to 7, and S equals to 4. Expression is the same but the values are the different. Okay, here P, Q, R, S is given to you. And in the case of ABCD, here A equals to 2, A value is 2, B equals to 4, C equals to, again the value of C is 3 and D is equals to 2. These are the value. A equals to 2, B equals to 4, C equals to 3 and D equals to 2. You can use the same step. First write the input expression here, then write the stack and then write the comment. Okay, you can write in this format. Here first write input expression. What is your input expression? Here. Okay, then stack is here and then comment is here. Right here comments. Okay, when you are considering the expression A, B plus C, D minus star. Okay, when we are using the stack and you have given the value for the A. So don't push the directly A here. Push the value of A is here because A is 2. Okay, and here write. Okay, initially actually the stack is empty. In a second step, perform this. Here A value is a 2. So write 2 here. So right here push A's value. Okay, and then is B. Then push the B's value. Then apply this operator. In this way, you can solve this expression. You can evaluate the postfix expression using the stack. Show the stack content. initially compulsory note that it is a stack is empty and your pointer is pointing to the null, okay, at the -1, and then increase your pointer. Okay, we will see the next example in a next part. Thank you.